In this question, we are given that a particle starts from rest at points 2 and 0 and moves along the x-axis with a constant positive acceleration. And note it's acceleration and not the velocity for time greater than or equal to 0. And then the question is, we are given 5 charts, and which of the following could be the graph of the distance s of t of the particle from the origin as a function of time t. So note first that the system of coordinates here is st. So it's not the usual x and y, and really s is equal to x because that's the distance from the origin. So the coordinate of the origin is really what it is. And so this has to start at the point when t equals 0 and s equals 2. So the point has to be 0 and 2 on the graph. This is when t is equal to 0 and s is equal to 2. So really, this is potential possibility. This is potential possibility. This is not, because it doesn't start at 0, 2. This is also not the case, because it has to start here. And then potentially E is also the possibility. So we have to choose between A, B, or E. But note, for example, that E cannot be the case, because in this case, the particle just stays still at the point 0, 2. And it's not that it's moving with a positive acceleration. So E is not the case. Note also that for graph B, the particle moves with a constant rate. So in this case, ds dt is equal to some constant, which is equal to the slope of this line. So in this case, constant, this is velocity, right? This is velocity. And so in this particular case, acceleration is equal to 0. So this also cannot be the case. So the only answer is A, and A is indeed the correct answer. In this case, you can see that the velocity increases, right? Because the velocity is the slope of this line, and it increases from 0, which is the tangent line at the point 0, 2. So A is indeed the correct answer. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.